Hello, everybody. Today I will be sharing a project with you guys, and I'm also going to be making my second tutorial. So first, I want to show the project that inspired what I'm going to share with you guys. I was in a swap in the Craft Hole. This is a Facebook group. We'll go ahead and put the link below, so if you guys want to check into it, we do lots of really fun swaps throughout the month. The only rule that they have is that you are an active member. So if you like to actively swap and share and exchange, and you're crafting, at least once, twice a week, then you probably want to check out that website. So I'll go ahead and put the link below. And the challenge that they had was a Breast Cancer Awareness Month Think Pink challenge. Earlier this month, I had seen on YouTube a bra altered challenge that I just did not have time to join. So I already had that idea that I wanted to alter a bra, and when I saw that challenge, I figured it would be the perfect opportunity. And the pincushion idea just kind of came to me as I was altering it, because I got a really padded bra for this project. And here, I'll just show it to you guys. Now, it was originally going to just be a pink bra, but then I figured it would be kind of cute to put some nipples on it, just because I wanted to have fun with it. So, this is it. I inked my own rosettes. I had bought the Rosette in bulk, and I only got the white one because I was going to try to figure out how to color it myself. And the idea for this tutorial is for that same reason, because when I was looking on YouTube, I really did not find a tutorial for like dyeing the rosettes. So I am going to show you guys what I came up with, and if anybody can use it, then great. So anyway, just quickly, I'm going to put this down, and these pins I just kind of created to make them match. I don't really glue them up until I'm ready to use them, so as you can see, it's just like the beads and the pin. And then once I'm ready to use them for a project, then I start gluing them up because I didn't want to commit to it. This one was a gift that that was given to me by, oh, I'm so horrible. I don't know how you guys all keep track of everything that you get, because I've gotten just a few swaps in, and this was given to me in a swap. I believe, I don't want to say the wrong name, so I do apologize, but I loved it, so I wanted to use it for this. And it's super easy to pin things down with this really padded bra, so it was just perfect to use it as a pincushion. Now, I did put some straps on it, some lacy straps, so I think I'm just going to hang it in my room, in my craft room. So now to the point of my video, I wanted to make a quick tutorial. I guess I just want to share how as you can see, these flowers look really shabby, and if you can see that the color is mainly on the ends, which to me just gives it like a really vintage and shabby look. So I really want to share with you guys, and it's really easy. The one thing that I did find online was how to, there's a lot of recipes for homemade alcohol inks and mists and sprays, and they suggest that, so if you're going to use an alcohol based ink, so for example something like this, like the Tim Holtz alcohol inks, they suggest you use alcohol, and instead of glue you can use hairspray. I'm pretty sure that it helps set the color a little bit. Now I use it, I actually put half of it alcohol, because I use this hairspray to make my own mists. So I had half of the bottle left, and then I just filled it up with alcohol. So it's half hairspray, half alcohol. And then a cool trick, and this is something that I learned on my own, you want to make sure that you get your fabric, lace, rosettes, anything, get them wet first. Because if you do it dry, then it starts soaking up a lot more. The color is going to be a lot brighter and a lot deeper than you might want it. So it's a lot easier to control it when it's wet. Now what I did is I just grabbed a tray. I went ahead and my first mistake was to pour the ink directly into the fabric, and that's something that you don't want to do, just because you're going to have spots that have more ink than others. So what I did is I just put some of my ink on the tray. Then I used my mix of spray with alcohol. And you can put as much as I like to put more spray than ink at first, because it's easier to add the ink to the mix rather than it being too bright or you're wasting too much. So all I really do is I dip my wet rosette into the mix that I created, and then all you do is just mix it around. Now I do one by one just because I figure it's easier to come up with the color that I want. And then if I feel like the color is too deep or I want it to be a little bit lighter, you can always just spray it with the alcohol and the hairspray and just keep mixing it up. Or you can also rub another one in it, and it'll help kind of get rid of the color a little bit. See now how it kind of blend into this one. And if you want it to be a darker shade, you can dip it. Now, one thing that you will notice is that the color will travel as it evaporates. It will become lighter. So you probably want to, I just kind of test out the final color. If I feel like it's not bright enough, then I just kind of dip it again and start all over. But it's just really quick. It's really easy. And then obviously you can just keep going until you finish all your the mixture. This, you obviously don't want to waste it. You want to use everything that you mix, and you can use it for your lace. You can use it on rosettes, on fabrics, and as you can see, it's super easy, and it's really fun. I started playing around with other colors. So if you want to have different colors and dip it different times, you want to let it dry and then dip it again, you can just pretty much experiment. So I hope that this is useful to you guys, and thank you for watching, and you have a good day. Bye-bye.